Did you ever listen about what if I told you that 2000 years ago a network of dusty roads connected the most powerful civilization on earth, a network that spread wealth, ideas, culture and changed history forever. This was Silk Road. Despite its name, the Silk Road was not a one road, it's just a network, a vast network of trade routes stretching over 6,000 kilometers connecting China, Central Asia, and the Middle East and Europe. Very few people over traveled the entire route. Instead, goods moved step by step from one trader to another across continents. The Silk Road began during China's Han Dynasty around 114 BCE. A Chinese explorer named Zheng Qian opened connection with Central Asia, creating new opportunities for trade. Soon, China began exporting one of the most valuable products, silk. Silk was soft, lightweighted, and extremely rare. It quickly became a symbol of luxurious and status. In ancient time Rome, silk was so valuable as compared often to gold. And the other most fascinating part, the silk of making secret carefully protected by China for centuries. The Silk Road connected powerful empires, China in the east, Rome in the west, and the Parthian Empire in between. From the east came silk, tea, spices, and the pollution. From the west came gold, horses, glassware, and wine. This exchange created one of the earliest form of the global trade. But the journey was not easy. Traders found faced harsh deserts, freezing mountains, long distance, risk from the theft, natural challenges along the way. Because of the most traders traveled small section passing goods along like a chain, the Silk Road was not just about trade. Its path for ideas, culture, religion, Buddhism spread across Asia. Knowledge, invention, traditional moved better civilization between innovation like a paper and early scientific ideas travel these routes shaping the future of humanity. Increased connection also meant new challenges. Disease were able to travel more easily between these regions. One of the example of the spread of the Black Death, which had a major impact of population across continents. At the point, Silk Road became the most more attractive and active under the Mongol Empire. The Mongols controlled larger area of the traveled organized by the trades. Even they developed a system communication and helped move the transport faster. For the time, trade flourished and like never before. But over the time, trade begins to change. In 1940-53, the Ottoman Empire gained control the key of trade routes. The trade routes become more difficult for the European merchants. They began searching for a new routes by sea. This led the age of discovery and the Silk Road slowly declined. Story was not ended there. Today Silk Road is being revived. Modern projects, Belt and Roads Initiative aim to reconnect countries through the roads, railway, trade networks. A new Silk Road for a modern world. The Silk Road was never just a road. It is the bridge between civilization and the path of ideas, connection between most of the people across the world. Its legacy continues to shape our lives. If you enjoy our history, then please comment below from which country or which state or a city you are watching our video, and please comment, subscribe, like, share our video to explore more story like this.